Welcome to Sheet Leveler. My name is Joanne, and I'm here to help you learn to use Excel efficiently and straightforwardly. Today, I'm going to show you how to add the Developer tab to Excel. This tab is essential if you want to do things such as create VBA applications, design forms, create macros, or import and export XML data. Let's get started. To access the Developer tab, right-click any tab located at the top of the screen and select Customize the ribbon to open a pop-up window. You can find a list of all the tabs you can add on the right side of the page. In order to add the Developer tab to our display, we will select it from the list and click OK to confirm. That's all that is required. We have the tab set up and we can begin using all of its features. In order to gain a better understanding of it, we will be exploring its content in the upcoming tutorials. If you follow these instructions, you can ensure that the Developer tab will be available in your Excel application, even if you restart the program. To finish, let's go over how to hide the Developer tab from the ribbon if it's no longer needed. To disable the Developer tab, right-click on a tab name, click on Customize the ribbon, then uncheck the box next to the Developer tab and click OK. Now, the tab has been taken away from the ribbon interface. If you found this tutorial helpful, give my video a like. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button and join our online community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.